learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
走了哟！
走马盖，
走马盖啊！
让我们加入客家风情，发现客家之美。
阿公嘅阿哥很多伯公係本人尊敬嘅長輩，行言老伯公以前，比如講童謠伯公伯婆，師傅話伯公跌落坎戰神，老伯公打屁卵神氣，仲下看得出行言老伯公有樣錢難拿嘅。
In Hakka tradition, Bogong is a respected elder who dotes on his grandchildren, caring for them and fulfilling their wishes. The Hakka people's belief system sees the universe as being one with God, the most concrete manifestation of which is the Hakka people's worship of Bakong, which is akin to the Tudigong. Additionally, Hakka people also refer to other gods as Bakong. Hakka peoples typically celebrate the birthday of Bakong on the second day of the second lunar month. Celebrations include a blessing feast and an opera performance.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個呢個
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。我聽你講八公，八公可能是土地公，但也有可能是一個長輩的一個稱呼，不是嗎？
沒錯沒錯哦，就是伯公就是一個尊稱，就是尊敬那一家長輩哈，我們就叫他伯公。然後呢，我們把這個客家人最親密的一個神明啊，就是土地公，也叫做伯公。好像那個我記得以前有講過嘛，從南埔哈有一個村莊，村莊裏頭有很多個伯公咩，什麼田頭伯公啦、樹頭伯公啦、水米伯公。
我覺得這很棒哦，只要有山有水有樹木有石頭都可能會有伯公出現，住在這裡的意思。
對對對對，而且呢，這個伯公呢不需要豪宅，你用個幾個石頭啊，把這個房子啊蓋起來，這就是伯公咩了。
非常好，讓我們也可以隨時隨地可以仰望他嘛。
對啊，
也非常方便，非常輕哦。那這個好像他的生日也快到了，
沒錯沒錯，
這個時候
就是2年初2，農曆2月初2就是伯公生啊，就是他的生日哈。那我們就會在這一天，就會在中午的時候唱太嘎聲伯公福啊，來一起分他的福氣。然後晚上呢，就要看這個伯公戲，滿懷感恩的心來感謝伯公長久以來的照顧。
有伯公的照顧，大家更和樂融融了，對不對？好，那我們就來教幾個詞彙咯。Let's teach you some of the phrases brought up, including the god of the land himself， 也就是土地公。
伯公
，and then we all respect him， 尊敬，
尊敬。
And then finally, he's very friendly and very close， 很親密的感覺。
情難納
這好像教過情難納。
對。
Yeah, it's very cute. There you go, learning more about the god of the land. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening.
宋太嘎，
漢子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.